Alright, we're gonna go down to the lean-to, and man, it is wet out here today. But we're gonna go down and I'm gonna cook some more of that mule deer meat, and make some biscuits, like Ken Click used to do. I used to watch him do it in like a Boy Scout mess kit. We're gonna try that, and if we can get a fire started. And I got jalapenos and an egg, so it'll be fun to make some coffee. But man, it is wet, so I may have to cheat and use the lighter today. But anyway, let's get on up down the lean-to, and we'll see if we can get a fire started. Alright, man, it is hot. I'm about to shed some clothes. Here's my stick that Jack Turner made me on my camp out up at DeSoto State Park. Old Jack's a great guy. I'm gonna process this and try to get the fire started. I got a lot of cooking to do, so probably not gonna show a lot of detail. I got some cedar bark, but it's wet, and I got a bunch of fat wood, and I'm just gonna do my best. This is my fire kit. I don't think I've ever showed it to y'all, but it's just this leather bag, and I made it out of some old leather, but it's got Vaseline wipes, matches, fat wood. It's got that little bellow I was talking about in the other video the other day, and it's got a lighter, and I got some char cloth, so it's pretty much got everything in it. So I'll use some of this to wet. I had to use cotton balls, but it's still hard to get it going. The inside's dry, it's just the outside's wet, so. We have to get that bellow going in a minute. I got my Elk Ridge knife out today. You know, these are little lower budget knives, but man, I love these things. I still like my Essie, but I just thought I'd get this one out today. It's a good little knife. Uh-oh. Just got to get a lot of it on there and let it start getting dry. Thing may get get a pretty good fire going, but you know, I got to get it dry, so I got to put it in there. I have to go back and get some littler stuff if this don't get to burning good. And I may have to split it steak in some Longhorn sauce and some Italian dressing. Ought to be pretty good. You'll have to remember to get my stick, ain't it? Oh yeah, that'll be good. We'll put this over here, because I may pour some more of that on there later. I think I got my handkerchiefs in my coat. Fire's getting, like I said, it's getting bright now. Use this to turn my steaks as I need to. Alright, while that's cooking, need to get my biscuits ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix those biscuits up like old Mr. Click did. And I got the lid mashed up, put it in the bottom to keep this off the bottom. And then I'll just set this over the top. Matter of fact, I think I turn it over. No, I'll leave it like this. And I'll put the biscuit in here, set this over, and set it over there, and it'll cook those biscuits. So I'm gonna mix that biscuit mix up, and just add just a little bit of water to make them into a little dough ball. I'm putting the dough in there, and I'm gonna add the water real slow and stir it. Mr. Click said that way you don't end up with it. You know, you just want it. You don't want it. Uh-oh, starting to rain. Hope it don't rain much. Gotta get my biscuits. I gotta get my biscuits done, but you gotta do this real slow so it doesn't get gooey. You don't want it gooey. You just want it. Getting it real slow. I think I just about got too much. Probably need just a little bit more, but I'm gonna try to make this work. Probably need more dough in there because it's a little bit too. Getting there. You have to do it real slow. I'm gonna burn my stick. Don't want that to happen. Yeah, you gotta go real slow with it. Didn't come out exactly like I wanted it to, but I got just a little bit too much water in there. But we're gonna put this on there. Put it on there like this. And he usually just like just keeps the lid on it, but I think I'm gonna put it all back together and set it over there and let it cook. Well, I better not do that because it'll be hard to get this off when everything gets hot. So I'm just gonna leave that off. And I'm gonna set it right over here. We'll see how it works. I'm gonna set it right here. I may have to put it on over in there later, but right now we're gonna leave it right there. Fire's finally dying down a little. Whoop! I had to rotate the steaks a little. It's getting hot. And I'm gonna put some of the this is that red-eyed hog that I got. It was good. I put it on some the other day. You know how I like hot stuff. So I'm gonna get my kettle, get some water so we can have some coffee. Take my percolator out. I got some more water if I need it. We can set this on the fire. Let's see. I hope it didn't burn it too much. We'll just set that right there. I hope that ain't blocking the complete vision of everything, but cooking. But we're gonna try to get those biscuits going. I got my steak going, and we'll cook an egg in just a second. Put jalapenos on it. Whoa. Put some more wood on there real quick. Getting the ashes on everything, ain't it? A little bit of I guess I can put that on down in there. I didn't want to, but I will. Now I've got my meat curly completely blocked on it. Man, it's misting a little bit. Hope I didn't messing my camera up. It is getting wet. Might need to cover it. Alright, got the coffee ready. We're getting there. We'll get them eggs started in a minute. I got my skillet. I guess that GoPro's waterproof, so I guess. Alright, we're getting closer, I think. It's about time to get that egg. Put them jalapenos and cheese. I got the jalapenos. I got the egg in here. And I got the cheese somewhere. Here it is. The skillet's getting hot. I gotta get my glove for that, and I gotta get a spatula. Let me find a spatula. Oh, forget that. I gotta get to learn where I put all my stuff in this bag. There's a spatula, but it's a little one. There's my big wooden one that I made. Here's the one I like. Here's my plate. Need a knife sharpener on my plate. Let me set it right here. Alright. Getting all sprawled out again, ain't it? You can get me a split stick like I had before. Did you see that under the leg? Get the spatula. Pretty slick. It's fried. I didn't have no oil, so y'all gonna make fun of me. I put just a touch of that Italian dressing that I had the steak in there. Yeah, most of y'all wouldn't eat it, but I will. Pretty good, it's floating in there. Man, that looks good. Need to pour some of that grease out. Woo-wee, I wish you could see this. Look at that. Uh-oh. Sticking a little more than I like it to. Getting some of that grease out. Put some of these in there. Whoa! Well, you know what? I like it like that, so it doesn't matter. I think my water's boiling. Cheese is melting. Taste that Italian dressing in there too. I finally remembered all the ingredients though. There we go. Jalapenos and eggs. Woo-wee. I'll use that hot water to clean my skillet. Y'all know that routine, don't you? I'm gonna set that right here so y'all can see it. Oh, that looks good. Let's check the steak. Whoa, Nelly. Still a little red on the inside. We'll have to get it down there closer. Get my skillet somewhere. Alright, let's take this out. Put her down here. Next to the coals. Get her cooking. I have to keep an eye on it though, because that's on wood, and wood, you know what wood will do. Let's check this. No, it ain't doing nothing. I set it down there too. Let's see what the water looks like. It's boiling. That's perfect. Go ahead and put some in my skillet. Ooh, Nelly. Got a little scrubber in there somewhere. Couple leaves. Y'all like, I wouldn't eat out of that. Yeah, you would. clean as a whistle. Have to clean the outside up a little bit. Alright, got me some coffee. I don't know what we're gonna do about them biscuits, but the egg looks delicious. Oh, that thing's cooking now that we got it down there. Sticking to the grill. What we needed. Oh yeah. So I'm moving it around a little bit. I move the steaks back, they're done, and I move that over on the fire to see if the biscuits can get done. So we got eggs, mule deer steak, and trying to make a biscuit. As soon as I get the biscuit done, jalapeno and eggs and steak. May have to get a light. It's starting to get even. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, it's not gonna look like a pretty biscuit, but it may cook through. I hope it does. They have to go ahead and eat and then come back to the biscuit. Cut some of this up. Oh yeah, looks good. A knife about too big to be cutting it. Oh yeah, look at that. I wish I had would have made it more into a ball, and I should have made 2 smaller ones. It looks like it's burning on bottom, but it's still, you see the concept of it. It's got the other lid to keep it, you know, off the surface. It's supposed to keep it from burning. And if I'd had a little oil, it would be even better. But she's cooking now. It's turning brown. Ooh, it smells good. But it's probably burning a little on bottom. I needed oil. But you can see the old lid to this thing is on bottom, which keeps this from touching the surface, and then this goes on top. Ken Click is a master at this. He's a great guy to watch. Anyway, let's eat, because this is getting cold, and we'll eat the bread in a minute. But look, man, this is gonna be good. This is Katie's mule deer. I didn't say elk in this video, so I'm getting better. It's got that red-eyed hog on it, and I think I even put some Texas Longhorn seasoning in when I put it in the bag. But that's good. And then jalapenos. I know, I love them. And the eggs, I'm getting a lot better at these eggs. I even remembered the cheese. And that's not bad for eating down here in the woods. I wish y'all was with me. I start bringing 2 eggs. I'm not gonna bore y'all with all that food, but if when I get this done, if it's not too dark, I'm gonna show y'all this. But I just want to say thanks for you know, being down here with me. This is a Sunday afternoon. My wife, we went to church this morning, of course, but my wife had somewhere to go, a baby shower for my son and his wife. JJ's having a baby in February, so they had a baby shower this afternoon, and that's where they're all at. So I had the afternoon after church to you know, get out and ramble around in the woods. So I come down here and done this. But anyway, thanks for watching. Comment if you want to. Here's the little coffee percolator. You know, I cut that off. I think I showed it to go in this kettle, but you know, it's just a regular percolator, and I cut this off with a tubing cutter and put it in there, and it worked, you know, to make coffee. So you know, you just can't see it perking in the top. It comes out just like normal and comes over. You just can't put a lot of water in it, you know, unless, you know, to get it up, you don't want to get it up above the filter. But it works okay, you know, if you're in a situation you want to make some coffee with a percolator. Okay, I'm taking it off the fire. Let's see what it is. Ooh, look at that. That looks good. There she is. Woo, man. Let me get my other glove. But that's the little Boy Scout cook kit. That's the little bowl that comes in it. Of course, I took the handle off. That's the lid. I put the lid in the bottom and then just set that on that. And then you just set that over. He used to cook brownies, pizza, cornbread, yeah, anything, just like an oven. So, and then here's my grill. But anyway, it looks good. And the bread looks delicious. So, I'm gonna end up finishing eating. But I got the bread. It's a little bit hard. I probably cooked it just a tad too long, but it's still very good. Okay. Get this thing out of the way. Alright, we got bread, we got eggs with jalapenos, the way I like them, and some steak. So this is good. So I'm gonna enjoy eating this, and then I'll get right back with it. Alright, that was some good eating. Thank y'all for being down here with me this afternoon. I hope y'all don't get tired of me cooking, because I just feel like you are. I feel like I need to get some overnight or something. But anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already, and keep everything in line in your life. Keep God first, and everything will be okay. Anyway, thanks for being here. Creek Camper out.